Well, folks, it's the next day now. The weather definitely isn't as bad as it was yesterday. This weather is a little more tolerable in my opinion. I'm just running to Bangor for a few things, just gas up and probably grab a quick bite to eat while I'm there as well. It is Christmas Eve right now. It's still a little windy out, but not anywhere near as bad as it was yesterday. Yesterday was crazy. Boy, won't be forgetting about that anytime soon. Uh-oh, got some people stopping. See if these people need some help. The way the snow's been blowing lately, I got a bunch of snow that's kind of hanging over on this side of my truck. On the other side though, like I said, because it's been snowing, there's hardly any snow.